Alright, we on day 2. So this is what we had yesterday. And this is what we just got. I hope everybody's had a fantastic week, and I hope that y'all all have a fantastic weekend. And I hope that everybody is safe from the storms that passed through. I know some places got over 15 inches of rain. That is crazy. And I know there was some tornadoes that rolled through, so I hope that all of y'all are safe, and prayers for the people that was affected with the storms. So we went to Home Depot and we were looking at different types of landscaping rock because I did not want mulch out here. We've had mulch and it just seems like it draws the insects, and I'm hoping that this will kind of ward off the mosquito activity, because it had got where you couldn't even hardly sit on the front porch. But so we decided, after looking at the different varieties that they had, we decided on Pine Pebble, and we purchased a pallet because you could get a discount if you bought a pallet, which a pallet is 64 bags. So that's what we did, and it ended up being enough for this to be nice and covered. So yeah, and I am excited for y'all to see the end result. I think that after this video, I will have the end result of it up on Sunday, because I really have not done a lot in the house, because anytime that the weather is nice like this here lately, we are going to be outside doing something. There is so much that needs to be done. We need to get our garden planted. We need to clean the pool. I mean, it's just a lot that needs to be done. And we're having to cut the grass every week because he's been putting fertilizer on it. I think I told y'all. He had seen either on YouTube or Facebook where if you have moles and you put fertilizer down, it will ward the moles off, keep them at bay or whatever. We haven't seen any activity as of yet going on, so we don't, I guess it's working. But he had already put one bag down, and we went and got more. And we got some grass seed for putting down in the bare spots, especially where he took up that platform that the table used to sit on. He scratched all that up and put grass seed and fertilized down right before it rained. So that's a good thing. Well, I'm going to get off of here for a little bit and put on some music, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Luckily, nobody gets smacked in the head with any flower pots this go around. And we still have that one side to do, but as of right now, that's the rock that was left. He is going to cut the excess off. We didn't want to do that until we got the pebbles in there, because we didn't want it like pulling it in under that edging. So he's just gonna trim that off, and this pebble right now looks orange, but it's because it had like dirt or clay type mud on it, I guess, where they dug it out or whatever. But yeah, now that it's done rained on it a couple of times and washed it, and it's really pretty, really pretty. I think we made a good choice. And I am very well aware that the bottom of the house needs to be painted and mended and all of that, and we are going to get to it. We are deciding on what color of paint that we want to do. I was leaning more toward a deep, dark charcoal gray to maybe a black, because I don't want something light and around on the other side of the house. If you got a light color, when it rains, the dirt splatters up on it, and I would rather just have something dark that doesn't show up everything. Alright, sweet friends, we're going to be wrapping this up pretty soon, and I'll give y'all an overview of what we have so far. And the next one will be the final one, where we put out the flowers, plants that we chose. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Subscribe if you're not, if this is the sort of content you're interested in. And with that being said, as always, stay blessed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.